As Hamari Ram arrives in Bangalore, Anugrah brings forward the warmth and spirit of its people. During its earlier run in Mumbai, I had the privilege of meeting two remarkable women, Mrs. Vatia and Zora Day. What struck me most was their humility. They welcomed a stranger like me with grace and open smiles. Their warmth was heartfelt and honest. Watching Hamari Ram unfold on stage was mesmerizing. Every actor delivered with brilliance, holding the audience spellbound. Unlike many plays where people drift out during intervals, here majority stayed rooted to their seats. That quiet stillness until the end spoke volumes about the power of the story. Audience carried the unforgettable reflections, praising each character and their performance. Hamari Ram came as an echo of an experience that lingers.
Hi, my name is Satoshi Varia, and
मुझे आपके पास आना पड़ेगा.
my name is Satoshi Varia, and my colleague is Zora Bey. And we are from IIT Triputa Center for Performing Arts. IIT Triputa Center for Performing Arts has presented this show. And why we have chosen this show is because it meets our IIT NDCPA, as we like to call it. IIT NDCPA, as we like to call it, main object is to give a platform to not only established artists but also to upcoming artists. And our main vision is to engage, educate, and of course entertain. And we find that everything, all these qualities are in this show. And therefore we thought of associating and having happy for doing that.
Okay, so thank you so much for being with us. If in case this recording is not clear, I'll send you video link, and I would like to speak of this again.
Sure.
I'm Sangeeta here with Hamare Ram show, and it just came to me to capture many hearts here. And once again, please tell your name closely.
Satoshi Varia.
Hi. And how about you?
Zora Beg.
Hi Zora.
Hi.
So nice meeting you, and we will take. Can you, if you've seen the play,
Yes,
can you
yes.
just speak of one or two dialogues, a line, or what captured you?
The
Or
dialogue.
yeah, any dialogue, or the stage performance, or the entrance, anything that captivated
What I
you.
find here is Ravan is shown in a very humane form, Like, he shows that he's not all evil, he's also good. So that's one thing which was captured. I like Raman's sisters.
Supranaka.
Sarupnakha.
Yeah. She's done very good acting, and she's a very upcoming artist, and we really like to promote her also.
Do you know her name? Her actual name?
His name, no.
No, never mind. We'll ask her on podcast. How about you?
So, for me, I think, the entire, like she said, Ravan, they've shown him very humane. But there's one thing which remained for me was when Ravan says that without Ravan, there would never be a Ram. So that the balance of good and evil
Yeah.
is, I think that is what is so important for all of us to understand. That there has to be a balance of good and evil, and because there's evil, I think the value of goodness is probably
The
realize it more.
awareness and gratitude for goodness improves.
Exactly. Yeah.
Like-
Also, what I like were the teachings which he gives to Lakshman in the end. So we all know about it, right? But this was like a knock on the door. So awakening us on this because everybody knows Ramayana.
Yeah.
Everybody knows Ravan. Everybody,
So this is a deep insight.
Yeah, this is a wake-up call.
Yeah. Thank you.